Alright, make a big star in front of this question. Whichever exam you are taking, CAT, CMAT, RAT, NMAT, whichever exam you see, there will be one set which is based on this. It's called a matrix based question, where there's some A, B and C. So you're comparing three people. In this case, you have to draw. Fine, don't do it without drawing. So I introduce you the type, wherever there is an arrangement, we can do it without the arrangement, without the drawing part. But whenever there is a matrix based question, we have no other option but to draw. So you can't avoid drawing in that case. Alright, this question was fairly simple, so obviously you can do it, Ram said. That was not a big problem with the question. But let me introduce you to the type, rule number 3 for this thing. Rule number 3 say, don't fix anything. Don't fix anything. Unless you are confirmed that this person is going to sit at this place, will write. If I'm not confirmed, I'm not going to put it. Okay. So what people do mistake in this kind of a question is what they do, they start like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They start with this thing, then they try to put in the figures. Or what we did in the last case, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people sitting in the row. So we started with that chart. So they also start with these 6 people. So there are 6 seats. Now to arrange people into the seats. This question was fairly simple, so you can manage without that. But ideally avoid this. So let's go along with the flow. Whatever information we have, we put it in the rules. If we don't know the information, we'll park it outside. Fine. So let's start with the first statement. F is a manager. F joined the manager on the first day. So F is a manager and joined on the first day Monday. So this is my days. This is my post, and this is the person. Fine. Ideally, people start with A, B, C, D, E, F. I want to start pay as you go, go along with the journey, go with the flow. Whatever information I know, I'll park it here. If I don't know the information, I'll park it outside. Get it out. Fine. So let's start with this number 2 wala. B joined as a supervisor. B joined as a supervisor, but neither on Wednesday nor Friday. The second person is neither Wednesday nor Friday. Okay. Third one. D joined as a technician on Thursday. So D joined as a techie on Thursday. Third statement. Yeah. So fourth statement is officer joined a firm on Wednesday. So officer, we don't know who joined, but officer joined on Friday. Sorry, Wednesday. Fine, we don't know who joined it. Okay, we'll find out in 5 minutes. E joined as a clerk on Tuesday. So E joined as clerk on Tuesday. This is clerk. E joined clerk on Tuesday. A joined as sales executive. Sales. You don't know when. The moment you have done this chart, you are left with your fill in the blanks, which you can fill in within 5 seconds. Who is remaining? C. And who is remaining? This cannot be Wednesday or Friday. The Wednesday is gone here, so left is Friday. And who is left here? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. Then all I've done is just added the information as I go. Rather than just starting from my choice, I just started with the area where the thing which is more important. And then following the question, the 5-second job. So I follow the same rule, 30 seconds to write down all the conditions and then 10 seconds to fill the remaining chart. Doubt? Very simple. See, end of the day, puzzles is a simple topic. Either you know, there's nothing else to teach in this thing. But these are all the small things which, trust me, count in a total score. Right. I'm not introducing to a very tough puzzle which anyway you can't solve. Alright. So let's have the next type. Don't solve the, start with this question, the 5 a friend Yash, Neeraj, Mehul. This question, no doubt, is thoda sa teda. This takes some time to understand the thing. Alright, so there are 5 people, 5 friends, playing 5 different instruments, and they are from the 5 different places, 5 different disciplines, engineering and all these things. Fine. Mehul is a medical student and do not play sarod, sitar or guitar. Fine. Or can I say he either plays violin or tabla? So you have to be playing one of the 2 instruments. Right, the first condition. Second condition is Prakash is neither a student of engineering, this is medical, or management. Fine. And right, that's all we know. Fine. So we don't know anything about this, so we'll keeping it parked here only. So we don't know where he'll go or what he'll do. So we'll see how it go along as we go with that thing. Next is Ram, who played tabla. Sorry, tabla is here last. Ram, who plays tabla and is an art student. So he is arts. Alright, last thing we given is the neither Prakash plays sarod nor last person who is Yash plays sarod. Alright, so if there are 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, who is remaining? Neeraj. So Neeraj is the last person. Sarod, this guy is not playing sarod, not sarod, not sarod, not sarod. So this have to be sarod. So one thing I know, this guy, whoever he is playing sarod. So if not, he is not playing not the engineering or management. So he have to be either engineering or management, or this guy have to be management or engineering. If he is engineering, he will be management. He will be management. He is engineering. So that all we know. Anything else I can find out from this thing? How we know that?
He is not engineering, management.
Yeah, he is not engineering or management. The remaining is architect. So he is architect. So this guy is arts. Yeah, fine. So that's all we know. If we don't, there's a case of these 2 people. So there we have 1 case available. Anything else we can find out? Mehul plays. So tabla is gone. So remaining is violin. Fine. So this is not sarod. So this have to be either guitar or sitar. So this have to be sitar or guitar. So if I remove the remaining things, so this is the condition which I have been left with. Fine. So we don't know about these 2 people, we don't know about these 2 people. Fine. In the question, if I have not seen the question will be either asking you what is there, who is already there, or there will be a case of this, which we don't know. So if I read the question, who is the following who played sarod? Sarod kaun hai? Sarod is Neeraj. So 1 question down. Guitarist is a student which are the following discipline. Guitarist. Exactly. Guitarist is either this guy who is accounts, architect, or engineer, or management. So answer will be? We don't know the answer. Fine. That is the one thing to know. What is the difference between none of these and cannot be determined? What is the difference between these 2? None of these, answer is there, but not in the above 3 choices. Cannot be determined with, I can't find the answer. Answer cannot be found. Alright. 12th is either engineer or management or architecture also. No? So because this can also be the guitar. Last question. Who plays sitar? Sitar again, one of the 2. Answer will be, in this case, data integrate, or the option can be this thing, P or Yash. In that case, that can be the answer. Doubt? Answer for number 12 is D. Answer for number 12, who play guitar, is either this guy who is a architect, or because he is also guitar, architect, or engineer, or management. So actual answer should be option number B, and or if you add another part to that, or engineer or management or architect. then that's the right answer. Alright.